I gave you air to breathe with ease. I gave you water flowing free. I gave you soil to rest your feet, the sun to warm, the moon to sleep. I wrapped your day with golden skies. I sent the clouds with lullabies. I asked for nothing, just to be. Yet you built walls between you and me. You say it's growth, you call it change. You write the word progress on every page. But look again, is this the path? When all you touch forgets its past, is ruin your definition of rise, is lost your ladder to the skies. And tell me, what do you call development in your dictionary? You polluted air that once was song. You turned my rivers into wrong. You drain the lands, you crack the seas, and still you say we build for peace. You plant machines, but not a tree. You measure wealth by what you see, but what you take can't be returned, and what you burn will never unburn. You say it's hope, you call it speed, but I see wounds in every deed. You climb the charts, you chase the stars, but can't you see how far you are? Is breaking better than being kind? Is forgetting Earth the modern mind? Then tell me, is this the legacy you long to leave behind? In the name of better, you built more pain. In the name of future, you cut the vein. You forgot true growth can't regress. Evolution never moves to less. Development should rise, not fall. From better to best, it must serve all. There's no reverse in nature's gear, only progress built on care, not fear. I asked for care, you gave me chains. I gave you life, you gave me stains. So pause, dear child, and dare to see what is the price of your dream to me. And ask yourself not just why or how, but what kind of world are you shaping now? If you call this growth, then redefine. I gave you all, not to conquer, but to live. Will you return to me before it's too late?